everyone, and welcome. We are going to do a partial Dollar Tree DIY. I've got the broom handle here, and I'm going to take the tip of it off. And we have a solar light. This one did come from Walmart because I wanted it a little bit brighter, but you can use the ones from Dollar Tree. I thought about this over the summer and never got around to doing it. You can put your light in here. It'll stand up tall, and you'll have a solar light on a pole. But because I didn't get it done, now we're going to add a little bit to it, and we're going to make a sign holder or a flag holder. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so what I've got the broom handle from Dollar Tree. We've got a solar light. I got a 3/8 inch dowel. This one did come from Walmart. I cut it at 16 inches and I went ahead and painted it so that we wouldn't have to wait for it to dry. And then I have some little half beads and I went ahead and painted them black to match my little holder here. So we've got to use some power tools today. So let's see. Okay. Now, so that I don't get cut with this metal, gonna mash it in here. I'm actually glad it's a little snug. We're going to have to put a little bit of paint on there when we get done here. So let's see. We've got our little half beads here. I'm going to put a little bit of Gorilla Glue. Then I'm going to put a little bit of bead of hot glue just to kind of hold it down until the Gorilla Glue seals. All right, and I will put some paint. See how I twisted it on there? It's got a little bit, but that's good. I'm glad it's tight. So, because I did not get I was just going to do a single light on here back in the summer and just never got around to it. And I thought the other day, I thought, you know, all I got to do is put a dowel in there and make a sign holder. A flag, I say sign holder, and it's a flag holder. At the end of the video, I will show it lit up at night. So, you can spray paint this, or I've got just a little bit of, I had another paintbrush somewhere, I thought. There ain't no telling where it went to. touch up this right here. And like I said, you can spray paint it, or I'm just using some acrylic. You can spray it with some sealer if you want to. And I did look up the size of the little dowel because I had to get a bit the right size. Okay. Now I am probably going to put a little bit of glue in there just to hold it. And I'm going to do the hot glue because I'll probably pop it out. You can pop it out and change it. Well, you don't even have to pop it out to change the battery. But, so all you do is take the top off, and then you could change the battery from in here. So. Right, then we're going to slip this right here on. And I just got the little peg there on the end. It just gives it a nice little finish. And I know it looks backwards. The bee looks backwards for you because it is the camera reversed. So now that we've got this finished, let's make good use of this little part of the peg on the back here. I have a little wreath here from the Dollar Tree. We're going to snip that off. And I've got some little wire greenery here. And what I'm going to do is make me a little wreath here. Put a little bit of hot glue right there. Look at that. Now we have a nice little wreath. I had this little bow already made up. I made it, did not use it for whatever I was thinking I was going to use it for, so I'm going to put it on here. Perfect little size. How cute. Now, we're going to hang it right back here on the back of our wreath, on the back of our little flagpole. Okay, look, y'all, how cute. How cute is that? If you wanted to, you could put a little sign in there that says welcome, or a little, how a little wood, welcome. I like it just like that. I think it turned out cute. The letter's going to be backwards because the camera's turned backwards. So I will go show y'all where I put it, and then I will also at the end of the video put it, show y'all how it lights up at night. I hope y'all like this little DIY. And everything came from Dollar Tree or Walmart, except for the ribbon. I don't remember where the ribbon came from. The little things came from Amazon. So I hope y'all enjoy. Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts. So please hit the thumbs up for me and subscribe to the channel, and we'll do some more DIYs. Thank y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed. Bye-bye. Till next time.